Imagine uploading a 500-page PDF, a 2-hour meeting recording, your college notes, company documentation, even an entire book, and within seconds, an AI explains everything in simple language. It answers only from your documents, it creates summaries, it generates FAQs, it creates study guides, even turns your notes into a podcast that sounds like two people discussing your documents. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, this is not ChatGPT, this is not Microsoft Copilot, this is Google's Notebook LM. And after watching this video, you will understand why millions of students, developers, researchers, IT engineers, cybersecurity professionals, and even content creators are switching to Notebook LM. Today, I am going to show you everything what Notebook LM is, how it works, why it's different from ChatGPT, the hidden features almost nobody talks about, and whether it's actually worth using in 2026. Let's begin. What is Notebook LM? Most AI chatbots work like this. You ask a question, they search their trained knowledge, sometimes the internet, and then generate an answer. The problem? They can hallucinate, meaning they sometimes confidently give wrong answers, especially when you are asking about your own documents. For example, imagine uploading your company's 200-page network architecture documentation. You ask what VLAN is configured for building B. A normal AI may guess, but Notebook LM doesn't. Instead, Notebook LM builds an AI workspace around your documents. It becomes an expert only on your uploaded sources. Think of it like hiring a personal researcher who has read only your files, nothing else. This is Google's biggest advantage. Instead of searching the internet, Notebook LM searches your knowledge. Every answer comes with citations. You can instantly verify where the information came from. This is extremely useful for network engineers, system administrators, cybersecurity analysts, students, researchers, lawyers, doctors, software developers, project managers, anyone dealing with large documentation. Let's move on to supported files. Many people think Notebook LM only supports PDFs. Actually, it supports much more. You can upload PDFs, PowerPoint presentations, Google Docs, Google Slides, text files, copied notes, research papers, meeting transcripts, lecture notes, product documentation, technical manuals, code documentation, even YouTube videos. Yes, Notebook LM can analyze a YouTube video simply using its transcript. Imagine learning an entire networking course without watching all 15 hours. It creates summaries, key points, important concepts, FAQs, timelines, even quizzes. Now let's talk about the feature that made Notebook LM viral: audio overviews. This is simply mind-blowing. Suppose you upload Cisco documentation, Microsoft documentation, Linux documentation, AWS white papers, firewall configuration guides. Notebook LM can generate a realistic podcast. Not robotic voices, not text to speech. Instead, two AI hosts start discussing your uploaded documents. It feels like listening to a technology podcast. One host asks questions, the other explains. They simplify complex concepts. Imagine driving to work and instead of reading a 300-page PDF, you are listening to it. This completely changes how professionals learn. For busy IT engineers, this feature alone is worth trying. Let's consider the real use cases. Let's see where Notebook LM shines. Let's understand one of the real use cases in IT support. Consider you are stuck with one of the issues. You upload troubleshooting guides. Instead of searching manually, ask, why am I getting the event ID 36887? Notebook LM answers instantly. Let's consider next use case of networking. You upload Cisco documentation and ask for explain OSPF in simple terms. Later you ask for compare OSPF and EIGRP. Later you ask show configuration examples, and after that you ask to generate interview questions. Now let's move on to the next real use case of cybersecurity. Consider you are uploading this documentation, MITRE attack and framework, security policies, and now ask how should ransomware incidents be handled, how to create incident response steps. You now ask to explain zero trust. Everything comes from your uploaded sources. Now let's apply this real use case to students. A student uploads a semester book. It may be a lecture notes, it may be assignments, and later asks summarize chapter 5, and later he asks to generate MCQs. He or she asks to explain difficult concepts. Later they ask to create revision notes. They will also ask to summarize and prepare for exams. Next comes the real game changer, the real use case for content creators. A content creator uploads research, competitor articles, statistics, and asks to generate video ideas. They ask to create FAQs. They ask to suggest titles. They ask to write outlines. If we consider for business, let's consider a business person uploads meeting notes. They also upload annual reports. They upload financial statements and later ask to summarize action items, who is responsible, what deadlines were discussed, and they also ask to generate executive summaries. Now let's understand the difference between NotebookLM versus ChatGPT. This is the comparison everyone wants. ChatGPT is excellent for general knowledge, coding, brainstorming, writing, programming, creativity, whereas NotebookLM is excellent for research, documentation, learning, studying, large files, company knowledge, internal documentation. The biggest difference, ChatGPT starts with world knowledge, NotebookLM starts with your own knowledge. Think of ChatGPT as a very smart general teacher. NotebookLM is your private subject expert. Neither replaces the other. Many professionals use both together. Let's understand the hidden features. Here are features many users miss: automatic FAQs, study guides, briefing documents, timeline generation, mind map generation, key topic extraction, suggested questions, document comparison, source citations, instant search across multiple PDFs, AI generated notes, interactive conversations, audio summaries. The more quality documents you upload, the smarter your notebook becomes. Let's move on to advantages and limitations. Let's be realistic. NotebookLM is powerful, but it's not perfect. If we consider the advantages, it can give you accurate answers from your documents. It helps with source citations, excellent summarization, podcast generation. It's great for learning. It's easy to use. It saves hours. It's perfect for documentation. If we consider the limitations, it cannot replace deep human understanding, garbage in and garbage out. If your uploaded documents contain wrong information, NotebookLM learns those mistakes. Some advanced features may depend on region or account availability. It also works best with well-structured documents. If you ask me for tips to get better results, use high-quality PDFs, upload related documents together, ask specific questions, use follow-up prompts, generate study guides, use audio overview while traveling, create separate notebooks for different projects, always verify critical information. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we work, but tools like NotebookLM are changing the way we learn. Instead of spending hours reading documentation, searching through PDFs, watching long tutorials, or digging through meeting notes, you simply upload everything and let AI become your personal research assistant. Whether you are a network engineer, a system administrator, a student, a cybersecurity professional, or someone who works with documentation every day, Notebook LM can save hours every single week. It's one of the most practical AI tools Google has released, especially for research, study, and document based workflows. The key is to use it as an assistant, not as a replacement for your own judgment. Always verify important technical, legal, financial, or medical information against the original sources. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the Network Fixer, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos on AI tools, networking, cybersecurity, Linux, Windows, cloud computing, and technology. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep fixing your network. This is Mithun signing off from the Network Fixer. Thank you for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye.